And then we are hitting up a Shiekh. Am I gonna get copywritten outside? What the hell? Like, let's go see what's up with this Shiekh. And this is one of the doper Shiek's. Layout is just hella fire. Do got a pretty dope Jordan section right here as well. They got a cage, that type of stuff. They got a big old 23 and a basketball hoop, which is pretty fire. Then they also do have an actual picture from when Jordan jumped from the free throw line. They actually have that picture. They blew that up to show the crowd. And then they do have a 23 on the clock. All right, I did show you the Jordan section. I need to see if they got these deals right here. Remember, these were down to $20. Maybe not here. Maybe not here. I could have them price check it too, because I did grab one for 20 for a friend of mine, and these are just fire as hell. No, they're not marked. They're not marked for 20. I think I'm gonna ask them to price check it just to see, try to get some info for y'all. And then they got the authentic Bulls ones right here. Tommy Lasorda, Mitchell, and S. That's pretty freaking dope. And then they have a Bulls warm-up jersey right there, which is pretty dope. I'll talk about prices. $85 for those right there. And these are authentic, so $130 for those bad boys. Y'all know I'm not gonna pay regular prices, but some of y'all are ballers, so you know, I'll show you guys, you know, that don't mind paying regular price. $90 for Lakers Pro Standard. It's a baseball jersey, right? Baseball jersey. This is pretty dope. Pretty fire. Do got the Lakers shirts. I thought these are dope. These are fire. Yeah, these are what, $50 for these. Got patches and patches and patches, and just super clean, super clean. And then look at this. They still got a few different sizes of the Kobe's. I talked to one of the workers here. They said they have a 7 grade school, 7.5 and 8 men. So I'm gonna throw this on Instagram. Hopefully you guys follow my Instagram. I'll throw it on Instagram and I'll throw it on a short as well. But that is pretty dope. Trying to help you guys grab pairs for retail. The OGs, the Jordan 1 OGs, thinking about those. He's thinking about those. All right, let me look. I've been talking to people. Let me look at some of the pairs here. Been showing these, man. The price is just so good on these, so I gotta keep showing you. I think these are what, $130 or something? Yeah, $135 for those. Don't see too many like all white mids. If you want to customize, $125 for those. Still got these bad boys going for $70. That is such a good price. All suede mids. These are pretty dope right here. These are what, $135. And dude got the sales. That's the colorway. I had to ask the manager. I was like, what's the colorway though? I don't remember. But yeah, those came out the same day as Kobe's. 3 Kobe's and those J's released the same day. Kind of crazy. Then he's checking those out. We'll see if he ends up getting those. Make sure you guys check out his video to see if he grabs those Jordan 1s. These on sale too, $135 for these in the women's. Well, these are pretty interesting. $125 for these. I haven't seen these. Okay, these are women's. Got some comforts right here with the nice suede on those. And the One High OGs, $180 for those bad boys. I did see these a while back. I don't think I've shown these, but this is a pretty dope backpack. Super premium looking. Materials seem pretty dope on it. I do like the fatter straps on some of the other Nike backpacks. $100 for these, and you can fit a 13-inch laptop. These are pretty dope. Those are pretty dope. $100 for those. And then got, I don't know what kind of bag, the tote bag, I don't know, but it got a carry-on bag right here, $100, $110 down to $100, and it comes with the free luggage tag. That's kind of dope. And then, like most other Shiek's right here, do have quite a selection. Got 5 different calm slides, all go for $50. Air Forces from top to bottom. How many colorways is that? Tons. I'll show this one. This is one of the more unique colorways. Interesting texture too, like a faux alligator print type of thing going on. Comes with a pumpkin as well. Yeah, $145 for these bad boys. 4 different Cortezes, $90 a piece. They don't have the Miami Dolphins one that was on sale. Got dunks, and more dunks. The jumbo dunks up top, regular dunks on the bottom. Air Maxes 90s, Air Max 90s. 97s right there. Got their Vomeros as well. Do got a few Vomeros right here. Okay, these have been selling out a lot of spots. $160 for those. And we are continuing the trip. Nice kicks. We did make a little trek here. Let's look around, dude. Then this is one of the doper locations. They have a ton and ton of releases. And this trip ain't no different, man. They got all kinds of stuff. Winterized 8s. I don't think I've seen these anywhere. Wait, what the hell? All right. Those are cool. But like playoffs? They got playoffs here? What the hell? 210 for these mother lovers. Holy cow. I can't believe they still have these here. Damn. I haven't seen these in a while. Jordan 5 Aquas. I've not seen these anywhere. These are on sale too. $150 for these. Frank and I were talking about how these just moved off the shelf. Everybody grabbed these. They are nowhere to be found, but they are here, 10.5 on display. Holy cow. Then they got these. Dang, do they have all kinds of Jordans that I've not seen anywhere else? This is pretty dope. $185, that's a 10 on display. Cherry 12s. $210 for these. I see an 8 on display right here. Holy cow. Hey, I just realized this is the exact same. Oh, they have a little difference. Look at this. Nice Kicks. But this is pretty much the exact same sign as Shoe Palace, because Nice Kicks is owned by Shoe Palace, but they got a little extra on it with the Nice Kicks logo. Okay. AJKOs right here. These are the canvas ones, go for 100. And then do got these bad boys, 120 for these. And let's cover all the other Jordans on sale. Are they following the pattern for Shoe Palace? Because all these are also on sale at Shoe Palace. And then I've not seen these anywhere. These are nice. Is these an SE? Yeah, they are. These feel hella premium. Holy cow. These are Jordan 1 mid, but premium AF, dude. Holy cow. And they got these. Like, they got all kinds of Jordans I haven't seen anywhere else. Holy cow. And then Frank was looking for these, so he might want one of these. Okay. And then look at these dunks. When did these release? Oh, this is grade school. Chicago Dunks? Holy cow. Chicago Dunk, like a black toe colorway or something. $90 because these are grade school. And they got these right here. These are premium as hell. Holy cow. $135 for these mother lovers right here. Some more SEs. Oh, premiums. These are premiums. $125 for those. Then these Air Forces right here. Corduroy material. $145. That's definitely one of the more expensive Air Forces. I think I paid $140, $145 for my Nike by Use. Okay, but they got cool. This is pretty dope. So many different materials on them. Some canvas ones right here. Premiums go for $145, and then the more regular ones, $125, $130 for these. And then the retros. These are the retros. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, the Noctas. My bad, I didn't even notice that. Like, the leather looked hella a lot more premium. Then they got the Noctas right here. It does say "Love You Forever" in the midsole. Holy cow. Okay. They got the regular ones right here, going for $110. And then grade school ones of these bad boys right here. Did I even get? I just realized. Did I get the Kobe's on video? Holy cow! I don't even know. They had men's sizes at Chic. That I did a short, but did I get it for this video? I might not have. I'm so dumb. Holy cow. I might have to add that later. My bad, you guys. Holy cow. Yeah, at the Chic, they did have size 7 youth and then 7.5 and a size 8. So they had those there. That's kind of crazy. And I'm looking at some of the grade school exclusives right here. $160 for these. The more and more I see these, man, more and more I do like them. Like, these are pretty dope, dude. And then they do have the grade school Jordan 1 low OGs right here as well. $120. Got these. And then Toro Bravo 6 is down to $90. This is grade school. Even playoffs down to $100. Holy cow. And the Fear 3's down to $90. Dang. Then they do have sales here and there. With apparel, I am checking. I don't see anything on sale, but they do have some dope merch. Dude, these are pretty dope. The different Jordan emblems, flight emblems or logos and stuff like that. Pretty fire. Nothing on sale though. But pretty dope merch. Got the watercolor Jordan right here for $38. Okay. Yo, okay. $30, because it's normally like 40, was it 40, 45 or something? $50, yeah, $50. Damn, so that's dope to see that one. That is one of the doper shirts. Even the hoodie right here. I swear these look like the Shoe Palace. They totally do. It's funny. But yeah, these are down to 40, normally 85. So they do have some stuff on sale. Pretty dope. Oh, okay, this one right here. Shoebox, sneaker up top. Okay, $60 right there. The flight hoodies right here, these are normally 100. This is a pretty, yeah, these are normally 95, I think. 95 down to 60. So not bad, not bad. And then checking out the women's, do got these. I haven't seen these in a minute, dude. 2 bills for these, 7.5 on display. They got a size 9 of these on display. The ones, we've seen those on sale, a lot of spots, $100 for those. And then still got the satin breads. Still do got these bad boys, $120 for these, size 7 on display. And then the Alma Maniere 5s right here. I've not seen these anywhere. Yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. I do have all the Alma Maniere except the 5s, man. I just did not have the money for these bad boys. I have the money for all the other Alma Manieres. But yeah, these are definitely dope. Definitely dope. Not white up top. It's like a gray. It's like a gray on top. Okay, and then do got the 12s right here as well. Are these on sale? Are these on sale? $225 for these. I see an 8.5 on display. And did I show the Neapolitans? They got these as well. Let's talk about what I'm wearing. PSG Jordan 6s. Freaking love these bad boys. I was telling Frank that I grabbed these at that clearance store for like $100, maybe 110 or something. Good old days way back when. And then backlit like crazy, so kind of dark. But yeah, wearing jeans, t-shirt. I did put on the Jumpman LA exclusive t-shirt that I did get at the outlets. I think I got these for like $20 something. I do love this shirt. I wish I got a couple more. Starting to fade a little bit. Wish I grabbed a couple more, dang it. Yeah, you got the Familias, La Familia, Air Max 1 Premiums right here. These are pretty dope. Do got these, and then these right here, I've never even seen these. These are pretty dope. So yeah, $160 for these bad boys right here. Ooh, these are on sale. $90, holy cow. That's a size 10, holy cow. I was talking to Frank, they got all kinds of crazy stuff here. The selection here is just insane, just insane. All right, we'll talk to him in a bit. Going to pick up the car. Look at this, they do ticket if you park on the red in downtown. I've heard so many people say, hey, don't worry about that. I guess I'm not used to the car. I freaking walked right past the car earlier, oops. Balling on a budget. Had to try In-N-Out, so of course we had to try In-N-Out. You said you've had In-N-Out once, right?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
back in 2018.
Oh shit! So like 6 years ago. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Frank's chasing that chubby pigeon. The pigeon was fat as hell.
Yo, that pigeon was chubby.
What'd you think about the In-N-Out? Second time having it.
Second time's better than the first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
But then again, I could be hungry too, so it could be that.
Yeah, the fries are pretty mediocre.
Yeah.
But yeah, better than most other burger spots for sure. So one guy, one chick.
Oh, okay.
They're about to get on the scooter.
Two girls, I'll say, that's guaranteed.
But I may or may not be hoping that they kind of fall down, because 2 people falling on a scooter is just funny. And I'm kind of an asshole. But I don't know. I'm hoping. Let's go. It's gonna happen. Because it's hard to ride 2 people on those things.
Really?
I think so. I've never done it before. and every time I've ridden one of those scooters, I've been drunk as shit. So it's a little different when you're drunk as hell. Oh, look, they're doing good. Oh, you need a kick, dog. Oh, shit. Let's go, dog. Oh, let's go.
I just don't got enough power. This nigga's struggling.
Let's go. Oh, they're making it. Oh, she holding up for dear life.
Yeah, where they going?
Happened to be out in Chic, out in downtown LA. This is one of the better locations. Has a crazy dope Jordan section. And they still got these here. Look at this. Still got Kobe 8 Venice Beach. Couple of sizes. Actually 3 different sizes. They got grade school 7s. They have men's 7.5, men's 8. If you're into the 8s, you're into all the crazy colors on these bad boys. These do have a ton of history, PE back in the day. Grade school go for hella cheap. Men's $190, but they do got him here. You know, we cover a bunch of this type of stuff on the Cool Creeks YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check out the YouTube channel.